Hi, I'm Randy Anderson. I'm product manager at Mutoh America for Dye-Sub and Textile. I'm going to be showing you our flagship model. This is the 1638WX. This is a dual head machine for doing dye sublimation, print to paper, transfer to polyester. So it doesn't matter if you're doing fabric, metal substrates, clothing, or apparel. This machine is an optimal machine for taking care of that. Printing on paper allows you to transfer to virtually any polyester coated surface, whether it be a mug or a shirt, or just raw fabric. Gives you the most versatility of virtually any process. Most of the fabric that's produced is produced by dye sublimation, especially the polyesters and the fashion. We're printing on a beaver dye sub paper. This will handle a variety of weights of dye sub paper depending upon your needs. This allows you to do just about anything. If you'll look up dye sublimation blanks, you'll find out that you're pretty much limited by your imagination on the type of products you can do. So the 1638WX is an 8-channel machine with 2 heads. That allows us to do CMYK ×2 for higher speeds. So doing fabric work, we're doing about 220 square feet per hour. Doing high resolution chrome images, we're about half that speed. We also have a 7-color option that's going to be available very, very shortly, perhaps within the next couple of weeks, that allows us to print CMYK plus light cyan, light magenta, and light K. That is ideal for doing hard substrates. This machine uses a DX7 print head, so we have a very small dot size of right around 3 to 4 picoliters, which allows us to do high resolution, artwork quality, Chromolux, Duralux, and hard substrates. So this printer uses Mutoh's DH11 ink. This is a tried and tested, proven ink around the world. Like I said, we're recently going to add light cyan, light magenta, and light K to this for an even wider application performance. When you buy the machine and use Mutoh ink, we cover the entire machine under a full warranty. But this machine is an open source machine, so you can run virtually any ink in it you would like. So if you're going to use a third-party ink, the dealer will cover the maintenance cost on that. If you need additional information, please go to Mutoh.com or contact your local Mutoh rep. Have a great day.